Let's graph this quadratic equation. Remember, the graph will be a parabola. Notice the coefficient of x squared, which we call a, is 1. Of course, a positive number, so that means our parabola opens upward. Let's begin by finding the vertex of this parabola. To find the vertex, we'll use the formula x is equal to negative b over 2a. Now, as we use this formula, let's go ahead and remember that the coefficient of x squared, which is a, is 1. B is the coefficient of x, so that's 0. And c is negative 4. So let's see what we have. I'm going to place that negative in front there. B is 0. 2 times a, so that's 2 times 1, but it makes no difference because that is 0. So the x value of the vertex is 0. How do we find the y value, the corresponding y value? We let x be 0. 0 squared is 0 minus 4, so I'll have then minus 4. 0 minus 4, keep in mind, that is the vertex. Now, how do we find intercepts? Well, you might want to notice from the graph we already have the y-intercept because it just so happens that the vertex is also the y-intercept. But you find the y-intercept by letting x be 0. When we let x be 0, we get negative 4 for y. How do we find x-intercepts? We let y be 0, and we solve this. Now, we can solve this quadratic equation by factoring x plus 2 times x minus 2. If you set each of those equal to 0, then we'll have answers of negative 2 for x and also 2 for x. So when y is 0, we get negative 2. When y is 0, we get 2. So those are our intercepts. All right, so we have negative 2, 0. And we have 2, 0. And isn't that enough to graph? If not, you can go ahead and plot some more ordered pair solutions of this equation. But I do know it's a parabola. I know that's the vertex. I know it opens upward. So that's enough for me to do a sketch.